everyone! Welcome to another video. Today we're actually here in our barangay to renew our passport. Very good nga tong project nila, so we'll show you later. Okay, so Chi, say hi!
Hi!
So anyway, we're here in the barangay to renew our passport as I mentioned earlier. It's really a very nice project kasi it's a lot easier. They call it the passport on wheels. So I'll show you the process later. Okay, so easy 3 steps lang. Processing first, you'll just check your passport and the forms that you've submitted. And then after that, they'll do the encoding. So, yung mga details no, you have to check and everything. And then the third one is already for the courier. So, it's that simple. Then, of course, here, they're already taking my picture. So, you'll go inside like a parang plastic booth. So, they'll take your picture, the usual. And then, the nice thing is, after they take your picture, they clean and disinfect everything. So, every time na may papasok na bagong tao, malinis ulit yung cubicle na yun or that photo booth. So, very safe naman for everyone. And then, sa processing, that's where you do your finger, ano bang tawag doon? Finger printing or something, yung parang pinapiano, they call it piano. So, kukunin yung fingerprints nyo and then you sign the documents or electronically sign the documents and then you'll double check if all the details are complete. Then that's it. Okay na yun. And after that, you take nga the photo and then after the photo, you just go to the courier to pay for the delivery of your passport para when it's already available, they can already send it via mail to your address. So, it's that simple. Sobrang okay talaga siya. This is a really big help for everyone, especially now that it's pandemic. Syempre, as much as possible, ayaw mo na lumabas, ayaw mo na ma-expose to more threat or alam mo yun, syempre medyo praning na tayo ngayon. So, with this, medyo kahit papano, contained yung exposure mo, hindi siya ganun kalaki yung risk mo when you go out. Kasi sa barangay lang, tapos hindi masyado maraming tao. They control the people inside the room. And then, they disinfect everything pa, all the chairs, as you wait, as you enter, lahat talaga dinidisinfect nila. Like this one, the one I mentioned earlier. See here, they got the chair and then they will disinfect it again. Tapos, papalitan nila na another chair dun sa loob ng booth. So, you feel safe naman. So, which is really very good. Kudos talaga to those who organize this. So, yun. Very easy and very convenient lang, diba? Super easy. And very organized talaga sila dito, which is really very good. Very good project talaga. So, anyway, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye!